Hey YouTube, so today I want to tell you about issue how to fix a system lean code P0171 or P0172. Basically saying the system's lean, and basically what that means is you have an air leak somewhere after your intake, after your mass airflow sensor. So in this case, it just so happens to be in the plenum. And I guess you say, well, that's a metal plenum, how could you have a leak there? But the leak is actually here in the corner. There's a gasket that goes in between here, and there's a gasket that goes in between here. And one of the couple of reasons I wanted to make this video is explain to you that sometimes you'll look for an air leak and it won't be in an obvious place. Obviously, wasn't thinking that you would have a leak there, but that's where our leak is. Also, when you have these off, you do want to clean them. So, one of my favorite cleaners is O'Reilly's brake parts cleaner, especially for like oil and gunk and grime, stuff like that. It keeps it away pretty good, as we'll be able to show you here on these two guys. Now, also on this particular one, I started cleaning it before I started shooting the video. And also on this particular one, you notice it has that valve in there. Alright, I'm going to get those clean, because like when it closes and if it's got a lot of gunk and debris around it, it's not going to seat correctly, and it's going to cause you some type of issue as far as checking the light or something like that. So if you go ahead and take that off, go ahead and clean it out real good. I know on some of the Ford stuff it says do not clean, blah 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 blah. Yeah, well, I'll always clean the ones, even the ones on the Ford, and they work just fine. I'm not saying get in there with like a abrasive brush or anything like that and get in there and scrub it or nothing like that. Just get you a good cleaner. This particular one works great, as you can see. So, but my point, you see how that's seeping out right there? Okay, that's letting me know that if the liquid's seeping out, then of course air can seep in or seep out. So that's our issue. That's why we got the P0171 code, System 2 Lean. Now also, since I have this off, I want to show you a few other little things. You see little things like that? That could cause it if that creates a leak. It may also cause your car to idle funny or something. Or if you have sometimes you'll find them and they'll have these little tips on them. And over time, these tips get hard and brittle and break. Same thing here. Also, while you have this off, since this is an intake manifold, it's a good idea to clean it, not just there. When we take it apart, we're going to clean it here. And this is the part where the air actually comes in. You'll notice we're cleaning it there. Sorry for all the noise today, folks. It's summertime and everybody's on their bikes and stuff like that. So, if you look down in there, you can see how nice and shiny clean that is. So this particular one came off of a Kia Sedona 2005. This is the intake for that. If you have that issue, P0171 or P0172, you may need to take your intake manifold off and use that to clean it. Alright, till next time, post, chat, subscribe. Thanks, YouTube.